Good morning, everybody. I'm doing this room my kingdom or mKingdom. Okay, it's written easy. It's classic CTF with too much rabbit holes and running around. So let's start. Of course, you start with nmap. I did an nmap already. There's only one port that is open. Is Apache 2.47 running on port 85. And of course, when you go to the directory, I don't need to do that. We can cancel this. And we have the app folder, so let's do another one for the app. Let it run. For the app folder, we can see it give us, this is where I start when I got lost a little bit. I download that image and said exif tools that image, and then I found the user said the creator is this. I tried to Google it, maybe find something. It was a rabbit hole because it was I will show you why. So you get here, there's nothing special when you go to with the view. The source is nothing, it's just static. There's an image and that's it, so we don't have anything. Then you get the app folder. When you go to the app, you set your jump. Before we go is, of course, if you go to source, it's nothing special, it's just JavaScript. It pop up, you click and you go to castle. So you can see there's another directory called castle. You go there, it tell you there, then it will forward you to castle with what exactly I couldn't find anything. It's too slow when I do it through VPN. Okay, we don't need it in any case. Just stop it, we don't waste time. So when you come here at castle, you find this. It's a blog, search option, to the website. You get always this. You come from the bottom. He said to you is CMS, concrete CMS. So it's a CMS, so we know that. So what we can do with it, of course, if I go to page source, it already tell me is content generator is concrete 5.85.2. So I know now the version is 85.2. If you Google 5.2, you get a couple of websites. It's set to its remote code execution. It is a reverse shell, so which was we're looking for. It's exact version 85.2. The condition is you need to log as admin user. Vulnerability discovered in concrete 5 by this. It's 85.2. So, and it tell you exactly what to do. It show you that you can add PHP, upload a PHP shell. This is my PHP shell. Where is that guy article? Did they delete? Close it. Yeah, this is the, it explains the same things that this is the shell script, what you do. So basically tell you you need to be an admin. So that's where I got some lost when I tried to do the image, find maybe this user, some kind of recon or something. Oh, that's it, the page. Let's zoom it. Yeah, 85.2. So now if we go back to this one, we have the login page. It's here, but what exactly we do? After running in circle, you go the old days. Admin doesn't work. So you go the classic admin and then password. So it's password, admin password. I was very cross when I saw admin password. This like old days CTFs, password admin, I don't know. It would be nice if was the entry point don't give you admin password, maybe an FTP folder or something, do something. So if I go now to, let me zoom it a little bit. So if I go now to system and setting, and then we allow allowed file types. I need to add here, just add PHP. So we add now PHP to our list. We save. Then we go to files. Now I need to go to, I have the shell. You can use any PHP reverse shell. Let me, where's my IP is, I'm using my what the hell, my VPN IP port 1234. So you can use any PHP reverse shell. I use this one. No, this is not. I use this one. You can use any reverse shell PHP cell to work. So let's create nc -lvmp 1234. Let me zoom it. And then, as we said, we have the file. We can upload I was downloading the image when I got lost. TryHackMe, this one, my reverse shell. Now we upload shell. It will tell you now message. It will tell you wait for. Oh no. Close. And then it tell you URL file. Try, so you just click on it. And then we got shell. If you go to an ID, tell me what's his name? I'm Apache. So www. So now what you do, ls, we have this. So best thing, let's get a stable shell. Where is my Python that I never tried to remember? So we get that. So then export. I need to get my subscription back. I'm expired. So, and then what's now this one? Control Z, put there. So if we go now, so we now in where am I? The main. Of course, now you can go to ls home, and you have Todd, and so you have two cd home. We have, of course, Todd and Mario, and then with both we can't access. So if you go to Todd, it's a permission denied. Mario, permission denied. So it means we need to get the password somewhere, because this is a classic CTF. You can go to get any data, because it's database. Let's get the password. Where they are the passwords? CD. It's a classic, so the password will be somewhere. CD application. If there is a config file or something, there is a config. Then we can cut the database access, and it tell you database kingdom, username Todd, and this. So it tell you, yes, you can think about it, because this is like a classic CTF. You can say su Todd reuse of password. So let's say if Todd reuse the password, use yes, I'm Todd. So if I do su do myself, if Todd has anything special about him, user Todd may not run su do. So if I go to home Todd, now you get an smb. If I get smb.txt, tell me save them all Mario. Okay, so what else I have here? Everything is empty. ls download. Is a strange CTF, this one. We don't have I don't think ls -la document, nothing. So basically now it's like I'm user Todd, but I can do nothing. So So if I go to, can I go to Mario? Oh, hold on, before we go there, cd Todd. Let's move. You can see at the history is killed in null, so we can get nothing about it. All file. Oh, missed MySQL history. Oh, got MySQL. I didn't see this one. What Mr. Todd was doing? He created the the database. Create database, drop database, should grant publish to Todd, so Todd has the delete flash privilege, show database, use MySQL exit flash privilege, grant all privilege onto Todd with grant option, grant user with identify Todd is the best. This is the password we got, so that's fine. So we can play around that. So what's this session? There's nothing. If I go now cd to Mario, I can't go to Mario. So ls.sh, this one's la.sh is nothing. So basically now it means we need to get a password for Mario, so we need to go lateral movement, lateral, so we will find this then password. So of course, if you can no ls up directory, what's wrong with me, is nothing, ls var. Now because you are on Linux you try to play with Linux privilege. So for example, yeah, you can start, for example, get information, like look for the path, for example. Nothing special here, is the system, and then environment info, this information, password and API keys in the environment variable. So if I get this, now let's go there, set, and we have this. So anything this guy all password home hides something for us. This one big interesting. You can see this one if I go to the top before we go in it. Apache, there's nothing special about it. Shell, it's bash. User Apache run as data. Extreme Todd, user is Todd. These color things, but this interesting, this variable. The path is fine. Then have Apache 2, home Todd, w wherever. Let's pipe user run. 1 2 Apache. So this variable is interesting. So what, and you can see it's base 64, so I can do decrypt with base decrypted, and you assume this decrypt, so I can assume that if I go su Mario, I can assume it's a password for Mario, and yes, we have an ID Mario. Then if I go do Mario, it gives me this. It said me I can do su do user binary ID. And what exactly you could there's nothing special about this. You just give it the name of the for example. So you can't really do nothing about this. So this Mario thing is you have an ID, because that ID, it give me the ID, so I don't need the I was very surprised to be honest, because if I do this I can get ID with root without any sudo. So my best of knowledge, this is a rabbit hole. This I don't know what you can do with this, because an ID to exploit it, even if you go to this and search for ID is not there. Of course, the next thing is, what is the this is my recon. I jump when I before when I was we jump some steps, but it's fine. We can if I find with the user Todd, if there is any byte, we can see there is a cat one. That one is it's also interesting. And if I do Mario, we have a cat as binary. If I go to cat here and I say it has an sudo byte, it said you can read the file with it. This example create a local sudo copy of the binary. I write to maintain elevate privilege. To interact with an existing STU binary, skip the first command and run the program using its original path. So basically you can read the file. I thought to do because it's you know what, so Mario doesn't have, so Toad has these cat things. I was before I did this, to be honest. I said what I did, like I did like the true.txt. I was playing around it. If the binary has an SE bit set, it does not drop the elevate privilege and may be used to access a file system. Escalate or maintain privileged access as it backdoor. If it is used to run SHMAN, I'm not sure. So this cat was a dead end, to be honest. I'm not sure what else you can do with it. Now, of course, if you follow Linux privilege, here you have the path. Here we got the environment, we got the password. Yeah, you can play with the kernel version. You try these exploits, sudo version. You can try all of these things. That then you continue recon. So let's do AUX. What we get? Look here what we have. We'll get ps minus EFL. It cut. Let's copy it to file. I don't know why it cut always like that. Let's copy it what ps.txt. ps.txt. Now copy it to temporary. Let's do it in temp file. Now let's cut temporary temp ps our result. See, this is the result we have. Oh, this is me. I'm doing this is the shell we have now. That's what I was doing. So we're looking for any process that running that interesting for us. This is there. What happened to that process? Now I don't see it. Because usually like for example we can't get etc cron here. If there is a cron tab cron tab minus e minus e. Oops. there's nothing here, so we don't have crons for the user, so the whole point is the root. I don't know why you don't see it now. Root has otherwise we need to get that pspy. Binary Apache apt-get surprising. I didn't it worked with me before. Why now is not psmy? Yeah, fell. Why now is not showing? So we need to get that file. What the hell is esma student ben osh cron daily? Damn it, I don't know, where is it? I think we need to get pspy. We can't see it like that. Let me the network. Let's see if we can get any catch network here. Socket. The network again is what's that? Net start or something. Net. Okay, I don't know what happened. I thought I was able to pick it up, but it seemed we can't really see it for whatever reason. I thought I able to get the root. But I can't see what the root is doing from here, so okay, let's do it the last time. If it's not working, I just need to install cat temporary. So I can't see what exactly if there is anything that is working. So okay, let's get pspy. Where is that pspy? Let's download 64 version, I assume. mKingdom. Let me do Python minus http.server 8000. Let's get wget http. My IP, my VPN IP is this one. What's the name of the file again? pspy64. Just minus output in temp pspy64 minus output. What's wrong with you? sysmod plus x temporary pspy64 temp pspy64. What mean permission denied? Still there. No, because this one, this script is one known for Linux. We always use it when you're stuck. If you don't, if you don't have the cron jobs, it can detect the root cron jobs. So where is it? Did it detect anything? No, that's not important. Let's see if he detect anything. That's Mario, Bash, that's us. Where is this? It's like I'm in different room or something. Oh, here is it. Just stop it so we know. Look what he's doing this. Curl downloading this file. Let's get it. You can see what is it. It's echo. There is whatever a number of line in this application, and he put it in the date, and this he run it. It is a bash, and it's run at USD 0, so it's root, and then it's run as root, and then you go to var log. We don't have ls minus la var log up.log. We can't access this one, I think, and it's owned by root, so we out there. So basically we have, and this file where is it residing? In app conta ls minus la var whtml app castle application conta sh. It's owned by root. We can read it, and we got it, so we don't have problem. We can cut this one. Same, we got it now. So basically we can read it, but we can't edit. But interesting part is curl. our interest is here. So if it run as root, we can get shell as root, but the problem is this is where we can hijack. No, let me test something before we jump. Yes, mice ELF. Why this one before didn't show me anything? It's still not showing. Okay, no problem. So basically now here's the trick part. Is downloading something from this domain, then we have a run as that's how we we can't edit the file, but we can hijack it. Reason how can we hijack it? Because this domain we can control it. The script is running from our system. So all what we need to do is to create remember, we can run a Python in this thing, so we can do this minus m85. Oh, not m. Oh, my computer, this one has firewall on it. Usually I use the attack box. So we have that. Then the next thing you do is, oops, let me zoom it a little bit. I already did this room, so I created the folder cd app, and then cd castle, and then that's the application, and then that's the file. So this is the file that, so basically I just tell him to go this bash, so binary bash small shell port 444, so I can do that. So let me go there and see my lvmp 4, because remember I want to hijack this, so I need to get the same path app castle conta, and then how can we hijack this? Because it's calling DNS, so we can see where you get it from, that this domain, this one. It's getting it from localhost, so basically it's because it's localhost, so it's somewhere here. Oh, it is the nano etc hosts, so you can see it's a localhost, so it's there. So you just need, oops, it's nano, it's not vim. We can just change this IP address, and we can put my own IP address. So now he will come to our computer. Let me make sure that it's saved. Okay, I have my IP. So now he will call my IP, and then he go to this app castle, and then he get through the 85 port. So basically now we should get, oh, we got it already, so we got he come through 44. So basically that's what we did. We don't have control over the file itself, but we can have control of the domain where it downloaded from. So now we have ID is root. Remember, we still don't get the issue of the user, because remember when we have here when you go to even the user cd, remember Todd doesn't have any no suddenly permission. It's Mario, cd Mario. I forgot to go to Mario. Mario has, but if you go ls minus la, so that's why this room is a bit too much puzzle on it. I got tired of it, to be honest. I mean, why you have the user as root? I don't get the logic. So you have users root, so you can't really. So I don't know what that su do binary user ID, that ID things that we can run as. What the password for Mario again? I forgot the password for Mario. History is dead, so we don't have too much thing even in Mario case. But any case, so we already have root access. We can just go now to cd home Mario. Now we have, look, interesting part. If you do cat user.txt, it tell you permission denied. So any case, you can just go use the head let's see, man, c7 user.txt. You get that's the flag. You can remove this and you will get you can just type head user.txt and you get user, and you can go to root and you can say hello 6 c8 root.txt and you get the root flag, or you to view it all just head root.txt and done. So yeah, it's a classic how to say, it's a classic CTF. So basically the first one is to access through use this exploit. So you have admin and password, so that's another rabbit hole. The next one is of course the var w html app castle application config. That's where we got the cat database. So we got the database for Todd. The next one is print environment. The environment for we got a password for a reverse password for base64 for Mario. Mario. So we got Mario. Oh, they have all this token including Mario. So we have this password token, and from password token then you get how we got the root again? We got the root through the pspy, because root is running cron job. Yeah, sometimes you just follow the Linux privilege escalation and then it works. Thank you very much, everybody. If you know what ID, okay, thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed, and you have other idea, please let me know, and thank you very much. Have a good day.